Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel, Baby Crochet Ideas. How are you all? I hope my all friends are good. Allah bless you and always be happy. So friends, in this video I am providing gorgeous and trendy crochet top waist ideas. So please viewers, don't skip the video, watch the video start to last. These designs are so stunning and unique. I hope you all love these unique and decent crochet ideas. Please viewers, share the video with your friends and family who want crochet ideas. I really hope that they will love these unique and decent crochet tops ideas. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different colors. In this video, you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs of crochet articles. You can design your articles with using these ideas. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who are searching beautiful and outclass crochet articles collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs and new ideas related to crochet tops. You can see more beautiful and unique crochet designs from my channel. Crochet articles are very famous all over the world. If you all love this article and if you want more crochet designs ideas, so like my video and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon. See you soon friends. Allah Hafiz.